What's up? This is Karthik Priyadarshan. Welcome to IDALS, and I'll be teaching you an advanced routine on Go Crazy by Chris Brown. This routine is very easy to learn, a little tricky to execute, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's get started. Let's hop on to the first section of Go Crazy. Alright, so here we start on 5 and 6 and 7 E and 8 and E. Okay, so let's slowly understand it. You're here. From here you have to open your hands. You have to start with opening your hands. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 E and 8 and E. Okay, so let's understand this slowly. 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and now you have to kick your right leg out and you have to use your hand so that, and you have to use the force of your hand so that you move, take a spin and hold your shin. All right, let's understand this slowly from here. Kick and hold and then drop and then use your head and look back. Okay, so that's 7 E and 8 and E. All right, one more time, slowly from the top. 5, not 5. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 and E. Sorry. One more time, slowly from the top. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 E and 8 and E. All right, now from here you have to hit 3 bases. One is pum. You have to drop down. Okay, from here you have to drop down. Pum. Now use your right hand, okay, and hit your left leg. Pum. And the third base you have to hold here. Pum. Okay, so pum pum pum. So you're here. 5 6 7 go. Pum pum pum. All right, slowly from the top. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 E and 8 and E. Bass, bass, bass. Okay, now from here there's a beat. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, so there you have to use these leg movements. Let's understand this slowly. You're here. Okay, now let's understand the leg movements slowly first. All right, now from here, ha 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 ha. Okay, so right and again right and on the last and count you have to lift your left leg up. Okay, so it's from here 5 6, only the leg movements. 5 6 7 go. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, now from here you have to hit tuck. All right, one more time. 5 6 7 go. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, now understand the hand movements. Let's do it with the hand movements. So you're here. 5 6 7 go. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, so when you're doing this, slightly lean your body back when you're doing it. All right, hold on to this position, last base. Now from here, 5 6 7 go. Tuck 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 tuck. So this is how it will look. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, so you have to hit, you have to drop your left leg and give a hit. All right, so slowly from the top again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 E and 8 and E. Boom boom boom. Tuck 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 tuck. All right, Now from here, use your head and you have to release.